Okay, I'm recording. We're making a cable for this IBM SCSI controller. I've ordered connectors that fit. I got a SCSI cable from a 9577. I need to remove this connector there, which is the flat pin. So it's important I keep a nice edge. I don't like this right angle. This one looks like it'll do better. Make sure it's perpendicular. It looks perpendicular now. See what I think here. Nope, not very square. Let's try this again. Now that's square. Okay, according to this, that side is the pin 1 side. Look for pin 1 on this thing. There's pin 1, so that goes over there like that. And we want it to come up and out like this, so the cable should align just like this. I'm going to push it through. Get it right on the edge. Hold it in place. Maintain enough pressure to get it into the crimp tool. Okay. And verify it's straight. That's pretty good. And now squeeze. Now I have a cable. You can razor off some of this excess. And then this will plug in there, and that will fit fine in a Model 90, I think.